Hi everyone, I'm Sangwoo Kim. Today, I have prepared this video to help you understand Bartlett's test. In statistics, Bartlett test is used to test homogeneity of variances among groups. This is Bartlett's portrait. I have prepared very simple data. There are two groups and we measured height for each group. So we want to test whether these two groups have same variance. In our program, we can do Bartlett's test by bartlett.test function from stats library. So I want to show you how to get this Bartlett's k-squared value and p-value by using this formula. Wikipedia, this is reference site I have used for this video. So in order to get variance for group 1, 2, and pooled, instead of using built-in function, let's try to use matrix computation. So let's get average height for each group. Average of height of group 1, gender 1, and average of group 2. For variance part, so height minus each group's average. Okay. For gender 2, okay. Let's get variance for group 1 by matrix computation. So emerge, transpose, value, comma, and again same vector here, and over n-1, which is equal to 14. And then press Ctrl Shift Enter. Cool. So for group 2, again same formula, and merge transpose of group 2, comma, and same data, and over 14, and Control Shift Enter. Right. Let's get pooled variance. So the number of samples can be treated as weight. So 15 minus 1 times group 1 variance here plus 15 minus 1 multiplied by group 2 variance. And then we need to divide it by n1 minus plus n2 minus 2. Okay. Right. So this is chi-square test statistic. So let's get chi-square statistic for numerator part and denominator part. Then let's get k-squared. So numerator part n minus k 30 minus 2 times log of pooled variance, this one, minus, this is each group's calculation. So 15 minus 1 times log of group 1 variance minus 15 minus 1 times log of group 2. Okay, denominator part, yeah, this one. So there are two groups, 1 plus 1 over 3 times 2, so 2 minus 1, so means 3 times 1. So again, 3. And this part multiplied by 1 over 15 minus 1, 14, plus second group 1 over 14. And the last part minus 1 over 20 minus 2, 18, right? Okay, then k squared can be calculated by numerator part over denominator part. All right, so this is same as this value. Okay, the last part is for p-value. So p-value can be calculated by 1 minus chi squared dot dist, and x value from k squared and comma. The degrees of freedom is k minus 1, so it should be 1, and comma, and true. True means cumulative, right? Right, same as this p-value, right? So it means that according to k squared and p-value, we cannot reject null hypothesis. So it means that two groups variance is same. So the null hypothesis is homogeneous to variance. So we can say that two groups variance is homogeneous, which means same statistically. So that's it for today about Bartlett's test. So again, Bartlett, in summary, Bartlett test is for homogeneity test for variance. I hope it was useful for you to understand Bartlett's test. Please click like and subscribe my channel if it was useful and if you are looking for more additional video clips in the future. Thank you.